Well, he told me it was a fuel pump. John was right, it was a fuel pump. Had a couple other things, but went ahead and changed the fuel pump. Got her running, she's rumbling again. Rocking and rolling. All I gotta do is air up these tires. Check her out. Here she is going. Need to find me a hood latch, but that ain't no big deal. Here she's rocking and rolling. Rolling. Yeah. Got that pump on there. Change a few things. Fix some wiring issues. Had to go through the whole damn harness on the damn car. Up under the bottom there. Pump and filter in. I need a window here. This window needs to get sewed in. The front bumper I'm going to screw in and throw headlights in. Ready to rock and roll. Let's see how we're doing. On our oil pressure, we're sitting at 50. On our water temperature, we're at 0. The radiator's probably freaking empty. Shit, no check engine lights. 80k miles. Wow. I'm gonna clean this thing up and change the airbags and ride it for a little bit. Probably get a center console. It's got a little crack right up in here. Idling at 1,000. Ooh, yeah, mama. Ooh, I like that. My volt gauge and my gas gauge here isn't working. Wow. She's alive. I did it. Sweet.